In this video, I'll be showing you how to block AutoCAD from accessing the internet. So the best way to do it is basically to block AutoCAD using Windows Firewall. Of course, if you have some antivirus application, you'll be able to do the same thing with that application. But for me in this video, I'll show you how to do it using Windows Firewall. So for your PC, you can just press the Windows key and type as example Firewall, whether you have Windows 10 or 11. Make sure to go and click on Advanced Settings. Here you will have Windows Security pop up. Just click on Yes, and you can close this page. So this tab will open to you. You will have basically to go on this left panel and click on Outbound Rules. Once you click on Outbound Rules, here you'll find many things. Let's just ignore all of that and go on the right here. Then we would like to click on a new rule. Here we will choose a program, click on Next. And as you can see, here you will need the program path. So what should we enter right here? So basically what we want is we want to find the AutoCAD.exe file. For you can go to your desktop as an example and go and click on your .exe file or the shortcut that you open AutoCAD with. Right click on it and click on Open File Location. As an example, it works with any app. I do have here an app. I'll just go and right click on it and click on Open File Location. So normally, once you open the file location, you should find something like this. Here, this is only a shortcut now. So make sure to do not copy the path of this because we want .exe. So as an example, if you see this arrow key, it means the shortcut. Again, click on right click and of course select it first, right click, then click on Open File Location. It will open a new tab and you'll find .exe. As I said, this will work with any app. So now what we want is basically just go and right click. Once you do so, you would like to do copy as path or click on Ctrl+Shift+C. Once you do so, you can just go and close this and go back to your firewall. So just go back to the firewall and you should find yourself here. Go back in new rule, program, click on Next. And here you will need to paste basically the program path. If you already remembered where is it from and you don't know how to copy, you didn't find copy path, you can click on browse right here and make sure to look for the exact executable file. So for us, since we find it, we'll just go here and click on Next. So here I find the specific program path contains invalid characters. Basically, because we copied the path, we'll need to delete the first and the last keys. So now click on Next again. And here you have three options. You have allow the connection. The second option will allow all the connections if it's secure. And the last option is block the connection. Since you want to block the connection, click on block and click on Next. Here, you can apply this or make sure to apply it to all of them, to the domain and private and public. Click on Next. Here, you can just name a rule. As an example, if you block AutoCAD, name it block AutoCAD. Of course, you can do this for any other application, not just AutoCAD. Click on Finish and the rule is added. Now, the AutoCAD don't have access to internet at all. And of course, if you want at any time to give it back the internet, you can always click on it and all you need to do just go and delete the rule. So if you deleted the rule, nothing will happen and you can always create the new rule again. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.